Hello to everyone on my channel Wellness Food. Today we will prepare a simple and healthy pie with turkey. We will need the following ingredients: 500 grams of turkey, 100 grams of tomatoes, 50 grams of any cheese, 1 piece of onion, few amount of any greens, 150 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 1 glass of milk, and some salt. Let's start cooking. First, boil the turkey in salted water. It takes approximately 45 minutes after water boiling. So our meat is already prepared. An onion into cubes. And then do the same with the turkey. Whip 2 eggs. Then add a glass of milk to the eggs. Add some salt as you like. Then add some flour and mix it. Mix the dough for approximately 2 minutes properly. So the dough is finally prepared. Then we will start to prepare our filling, and first we have to grate the cheese. Cut tomatoes into cubes. Cut the greens. Mix all of the ingredients of the filling properly. Pour a little dough into a form. I use a silicone one. Then put the filling on top. And put the rest of the dough on the top. Preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake a pie for approximately 35-45 minutes. And here you can see health and nutrition benefits of turkey. Our healthy, simple and delicious dish is ready. Such beauty turned out. It smells so tasty. Then it's better to transfer the pie from the mold to a plate. I'm sure this pie won't leave anyone indifferent. You can pamper yourself with pies within reasonable limits, and this pie is a dietary and light dish that won't harm your health and figure. If you want to cook a beautiful and healthy dish for the whole family, by all means try to take this amazing pie. Children will love it too. Meat pie won't leave anyone indifferent. Cook a great simple dishes with me and stay healthy, slim and beautiful. Bon appetit, everyone!